How the Germans deal with their old cars. Cars are one of the most convenient and fastest modes of transportation these days. A car has a lifespan, and after several decades of driving, its parts will age and gradually get worn out, turning into a pile of waste metal. Scrap cars can't go on the road anymore, they can only be sent to car recycling factories for processing. To prevent some unscrupulous merchants from buying scrap cars and selling them to the second-hand car market, all scrap cars need to be processed. Germans mainly use two ways to deal with scrap cars. One is the compression method, that is, a machine called a compactor directly crushes the scrap cars into disc shapes. There may still be some scrap parts, and at this point the second method, shredding, can only be used. The shredders used are usually small, they can only be used to crush gold and other metals. If it is to shred scrap cars, a larger shredder will need to be used. This is a large shredder made in Germany, said to be the strongest shredder in the world. Whether it's a small car or a heavy car, as long as it can fit in, it can shred it like cutting melons and vegetables. This shredder is 2.2 meters high and 1.5 meters wide, equipped with two engines, with a power of up to 271. A car is directly stuffed into a circular bucket and then moved to the shredder. The rotor of the shredder can rotate 34 times per minute. Under the interaction of the rotating gears, a car is instantly crushed into big and small pieces of iron, which fall into the collection box below and are finally transported to the steel plant for recycling and remanufacturing, through steel smelting into hot glue, transformed into various household items, such as pots and pans, which can be said to be very environmentally friendly. When are we going to introduce such a powerful shredder?